दिखाएंगे हाउ कम्युनिटी इज सेलिब्रेटिंग फैशन एंड कल्चर, और साथ ही देखना ना भूलें कैसे मिल रहे हैं कम्युनिटी को नेटवर्किंग के अवसर। पर सबसे पहले नजर डालते हैं हेडलाइंस पर। Meet and greet reception with Congressman Dr. Amy Bera organized. साझा हुए ओबामा visit to India के experiences. Indian Professionals Network organizes its meeting at the Global Mall. Author Suresh Sharma talks about innovative and entrepreneurial spirit. Amrita Seattle organizes Rhythms of Love. Malnutrition victims के लिए fundraise करने की रही कोशिश। रॉयल अल्बर्ट पैलेस न्यू जर्सी में हुआ आई मेकओवर इंडिया फेस्ट का आयोजन। कम्युनिटी रिसीव्ड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मीट एंड ग्रीट विद बॉलीवुड स्टार अभय देओल। और पाम बीच इंडिया एसोसिएशन ऑर्गेनाइजेस इंडिया फेस्ट 2015 इन फ्लोरिडा। ब्यूटीफुल था ये कल्चरल इवेंट। सबसे पहले बात एक स्पेशल इवेंट की। A meet and greet reception with Congressman Amy Bera was organized at Artesia DES Hall. The event saw participation from more than 100 guests, जिस दौरान कांग्रेसमैन ने शेयर की his desire to serve his community and also spoke about his aspirations regarding Indo-US relations.
Congressman Amy Bera represents California's 7th congressional district in the U.S. House of Representatives, a first-generation American born and raised in California. Bera is guided by a desire to serve his community. Bera was one of the only 4 U.S. lawmakers invited by U.S. President Barack Obama to accompany him to India on Air Force One.
Well, it's an incredibly exciting time in the Indian American community within the diaspora. You feel energy. And then, in the U.S.-India relationship, there's a real energy. I was just in India with the President of the United States, and you see this chemistry between the President and the Prime Minister. I think they both have ambitious agendas. They want to see the relationship and the countries grow together. And, the Indian American diaspora here really has a part to play in this relationship.
Congressman Bera is a member of the Congressional Caucus on India and Indian Americans, and being close to his roots, वो इस बात का रखते हैं पूरा ध्यान कि उनकी कम्युनिटी को मिले पूरा सम्मान।
We're the most affluent community in America, the Indian American community, but I'm the only member of Congress. So, let's continue to get more people involved in politics, have more people at the table. So one of my core missions is how do we get more people to think about participating in this civic dialogue that's taking place. On the business side, though, we're leaders in technology, we're leaders in the hotel lodging industry here in America, we're leaders in healthcare, and the things that we've been innovative on and that we've had success, again, the Prime Minister has directly said, help show India how to achieve that same success. So again, I think there's a real opportunity for the Indian American diaspora to invest in India and, again, help grow the two countries together.
इस मीट एंड ग्रीट विद कांग्रेसमैन एमी बेरा इवेंट के दौरान रहे कई गेस्ट मौजूद, जिन्होंने कांग्रेसमैन की स्पीच और कम्युनिटी की तरफ उनके काम से संतुष्टि जताई।
What he's mentioned that the both Prime Minister and President agreed on certain terms and conditions. However, that Mr. Prime Minister know that also in India that and they have a lot of work to do that also. And I think we have a great opportunity to invest the money in India also. And the Indian tycoon has to opportunity to invest in United States also. So I think I learned a lot of things from him today.
Well, it's going to be better for business-wise. I think going to be streamlined the process. Like before, there's a lot of red tape going on. So this going to be on a fast track. So if somebody wants to do business here or in India, that can be much easier process. That's what he's going to help, because our president is went twice. So that shows that they want to do something in the India.
Bera has always maintained that he